What's that? What's that? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, shots. Hi, late na kami nagising. Ewan ko ba bakit ang haba ng tulog ko ngayon at saka yung haba ng tulog niya. Siguro dahil nga kagabi, panay din ako gising ng gising kasi nag-check ako sa kanya dahil may lagnat siya kagabi. Ay, hindi naman siya lagnat. Sinat. Sinat lang naman yung kanyang naramdaman kagabi. Buti na lang kamo ngayon, medyo wala na siyang hindi na ba siya mainit. Di ko lang alam mamaya. Bigla lang lumabas yun kagahapon. Naglalaro sila sa labas. Bigla na lang siyang nanginit. So, okay naman siya ngayon, baby. Are you okay, right? And she's having her milk. First milk in the morning. And we woke up late. Ay, nako. Hindi na naman tayo makapag-umpisa ng ating vlogging nito. Lagi na lang late. Kaya hinahabol ko yung aking editing kay laging walang backup tayo na video. Right, baby Yana? Tingnan natin siya. Nagdididi pa yung aking my baby boss. My baby boss is drinking her milk. Yes. You okay na, baby, di ba? Okay na yan ang baby namin. Say thank you, Lord. Okay na ang baby Yana namin. Energetic naman siya at meron siyang sinat. Finish! Yay! Finish! Good job, my baby girl. Good job. Gonna change your clothes now? Yeah, gonna change? Yay! Say good morning, mga shots. Good morning! Say good morning to them. Good morning! Oh, no, baby, no. Say good morning, mga shots. Good morning, mga tata shots. Say good morning. Morning. Yay. That's my baby girl. Give me a flying kiss. Where's the flying kiss? Give him kisses. Yeah, we'll give him kisses. Kisses. Kisses, baby Anna. Come on. Yeah. Come. Oh, flying kiss. Where's the flying kiss? Where's the kisses? Give them kisses. Agoy, kunin na. Ay, say hi. Say hi, baby Anna. Ano naman gagawin natin today? Today, wala palang pasok kasi, ano ngayon? Chinese New Year. Kaya wala mga pasok estudyante. What are you doing, baby Anna? Uy, ano nang pinagpipindot? Oh, ano na? Baby Anna, I can see you. Where are you? Oh, slowly. Come here. Mama, we're gonna change your clothes. Come here. We go outside. We're gonna go broom. Come, let's go. Change your clothes here, mommy. Come. Let's go broom outside. Come on. Then I will check your temperature. Daddy asked you to check your temperature. Come here. Oh, bring that here. Bring that here. Come on. Come here now, baby. Oh, you give kisses to Dali? Wow, that's so sweet. How about hug? Hug to Dali. Give hug. Tight hug. Tight hug. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, how about mommy? How about mommy's hug? Oh, I want hug too. Where's my hug? How about me? No hug for me? And no kisses for my baby Anna? Oh, come here. Galit na siya. Come here. Oh, you're gonna change your clothes. We're going outside. We'll take a walk. Dali, come on. You want to have a walk outside? Yeah, come here. Mama, we're gonna change your clothes, baby Anna. We're gonna check the ano. Kumay si Munti. What's that? Kaiba ni Munti yan, baby Anna. Sa tayo ni Monty. Ay, hindi. Dahon pala. Where's Monty? Huh? Where's Monty? Monty! Where are you, Monty? Ay, lumabas yata si Monty. Ayan na. Monty! Come inside. Come. Monty, inside, Monty. Butterfly. There. 3 butterflies. Parang may black one pa, baby, yan, ah. Yes. Did you see the butterfly? Flying, right? Uy. Gustong-gusto niya yung butterfly. Nakikita niya yung lumilipad pag umaga. Yes, a butterfly. You like butterfly, right? Yeah, those are butterflies. You cannot catch them. Wait, nangangamit ang baby. Ang init ng panahon today. Inawa yung background namin kay Lola yan. Yeah. Nagbenta naman si Lola ng kanyang paninda. Naglalaro sila. Kapitbahay namin doon sa likod ng compound. Napadpad dito. Nang dahil kay Monty, gusto niya daw ng aso. Laro-laro lang sila. Baby Yana, you okay? What do you want? Want breakfast? But you just had your milk. Later on na lang? After your morning napping? Yes? I'm having my coffee. No sugar at all. Ang pait, beshi. Pero okay lang yan. Yeah? Oh, that's hot? It's hot. See, it's really hot. Oh, this one you can try. What's that funny face? Is that a funny face you're doing? Where did you get that from? Huh? Where did you learn that? Pauso-uso kang ng ano? Oh. Kuya?